The Bridge of Humanity.
A wide, muddy river relentlessly divides two towns, its churning waters a silent barrier. On one bank, young Thomas meticulously stacks smooth, grey river stones with practiced, solemn grace. Across the vast, silent expanse, Lily on the opposing bank carefully arranges vibrant, multicoloured flowers, a poignant tableau. Rain lashes down, turning the river into a raging, muddy torrent, threatening homes as Thomas spots a wooden boat breaking through. Thomas quickly ties a thick rope to a sturdy tree, securing one end as Lily rushes forward through mud and rain on the opposite bank. Their eyes meet across the swirling, dangerous water, a profound moment of shared purpose, overriding years of division. The morning sun glints on receding floodwaters, revealing a landscape of shared devastation and dawning hope. Thomas and Lily, silhouetted, direct townsfolk from both communities, their combined efforts building a sturdy wooden bridge. The rhythmic thud of hammers and joyful laughter fill the air as Thomas and Lily share a warm, knowing smile.